Hello everyone, everybody who is or who is not the member of my YouTube channel family. Welcome everyone. Hope you're all fine and doing great. All those who are not our family members yet on this YouTube channel, please become our family members very quickly by subscribing to the channel. And today the very organic recipe that I have brought to you is yogurt raita, or dahi ka raita as we call it in Urdu. Yogurt raita is a very nice side dish when eaten with rice or all kinds of rice, or it can be eaten with different dishes as well, like with samosas, with chana chaat or chickpea chaat. It can be eaten with many things, so it's a very nice thing and very simple to make, very easy to make also, and especially served with rice, it tastes great. Okay, so let's embark upon the recipe of yogurt raita. Let's find out how we are going to make this simple and yummy recipe, and it is going to enhance the taste of our rice, brown rice especially. Okay, these are the ingredients that we are going to need in making this yogurt raita, and you can see in 3 small bowls I have some diced tomatoes with me, peeled and diced tomatoes. Okay, and I have some diced onions with me and some diced potatoes with me. And besides that, the spices that are going to go in are salt, red chili powder, both according to your own taste, black pepper powder, again according to your own taste, black cumin seeds, then I took almost half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds. Then I have some what you call coriander powder, dried coriander powder, half a teaspoon of ground coriander powder, and that is about it. So these are the spices, and of course we have some fresh green coriander also in the center of the plate. I have that's washed, cleaned, cut and washed. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that we are going to use in this yogurt raita. Besides, of course, yogurt is the prime ingredient that's going to go in, and that's understood. First of all, what we will do is we will take a frying pan, put our diced potatoes in the frying pan, and add some water to it and put it on low heat to steam. The potatoes will get steamed in water and they will become tender. They will be cooked. You can add a bit of salt to the potatoes if you want to. Okay, while the potatoes are cooking like this, being steamed, they will be steamed. We are going to steam the potatoes, remember. So in the meanwhile, what we will do is we will take a big bowl in which we want to make the raita, and we will put our diced onions in that big bowl. Okay, as you can see me doing here. And in the big bowl now go the diced onions have already gone into it. Now the diced tomatoes will also go into the big bowl that we are going to make our raita in. Okay, add the tomatoes into the onions. Look at the natural colors. They look so beautiful to me always. The food colors that nature has provided us with, so many different shades and so beautiful when put together. They look very beautiful. Okay, so these onions and tomatoes now invite all the spices into them. So all the spices with the green coriander that was washed and cut also go into these onions and tomatoes. Into the bowl they also go. You see, while the spices and the onions and tomatoes are looking beautiful in the bowl, we have the potatoes being steamed on the oven, and when we are going to check if they are done or not, if they are soft enough and we eat them, and if they are cooked enough, then we are going to take them off the heat, and of course all the water must evaporate. And if they are not well cooked yet, we are going to add in some more water and let them cook for a few more minutes before they are well cooked to the center, soft and yummy, delicious potatoes. Okay, so let them be steamed properly, because they are a very important ingredient of a raita. And you see here, my potatoes are steamed now, ready. And as they are ready, as they get ready, I turn off my stove and I take them off and add them to my raita bowl now. With all the other ingredients, I also add the diced potatoes, steamed diced potatoes. So all the things are done now. All we need now is yogurt. The spices have gone in, potatoes have gone in, tomatoes have gone in, green coriander has gone in, and now we are going to add the yogurt to it to make the raita. So that is all we need now. I have mixed up all the things and they are looking so beautiful, a potpourri of very nice beautiful colors, and to that potpourri of nice colors, beautiful colors, I'm going to add the amazing white yogurt. Okay, that is another color that's added to it now, and it's going to give it a nice look. So with the spices and with the veggies in it, so I'm going to add in the yogurt, and let's see now what shape the raita gets into. Then I take a spoon and I start mixing all the ingredients in the yogurt slowly, so that my bowl is very full the yogurt doesn't fall out of it. So slowly I mix all my ingredients, and you see the color now that the white yogurt is taking a bit reddish, and the color of the veggies also there, some were green, some were yellow, and peach, and a bit reddish, orangish as well. So this is the color that the raita is taking. So I mix it up slowly and gradually so that all the ingredients, all the spices are well spread into the whole bowl of yogurt. Okay, and our raita will then become ready. And you see, the raita is ready now in our bowl. It's looking so beautiful with green and red and yellow and light peachish colors. It's looking nice, and it's very tasty, and it complements rice, especially brown rice, a lot. It can be eaten with all kinds of palau, can be eaten with mutton palau, with spinach palau, or spinach rice, or mutton rice. It can be eaten with all kinds of brown rice. Besides that, it can be eaten with simple naan or bread as well, can be eaten with samosas, and can be eaten with chickpeas. It makes chickpeas even more delicious, and you can add that to a samosa, and you can break the samosa into it, and it becomes really yummy that way. Also, you can add a bit of chickpeas also to it. So can be eaten in many ways, well liked by both grown-ups and children. And spices, add according to your own taste. That's very important. Do try it, and if you want to try it with spinach rice or mutton rice or with samosas, all the recipes are there on my channel, already uploaded. You can go to them and you can get those recipes as well. Cook it, make the cook those things, anything that you want, make the raita, and You can also serve this raita with that paratha, cheese paratha, and cheese paratha recipes also uploaded on my channel already. You can take it from there. You can listen to that, watch that as well, how to make cheese parathas. And with this raita, they are absolutely delicious. So enjoy this raita with anything that you want, and do remember to comment nice comments on the channel under this raita, and like and share the recipe. Do become our family members on the channel Life Themes with Faria Habib by subscribing. So click the subscribe button very quickly now, and also like and share the recipe. Take care of yourselves, take care of your dear ones. Stay healthy, stay happy. Cheers.